I see people running from their own minds, from something they won't see. And everywhere I go, I see unanswered questions, pry apart their convictions, and cause them to fall down. And it surprises me to know that he answers all questions just by softly saying, "Be still, and know I am God. Oh, be still, and know I am God." Everywhere I go, I find myself running mindlessly in circles from the doubts in my head. And everywhere I go, I wonder where I'm going. I wonder if I'm showing everything that must be seen. And it surprises me to know that he answers all my questions just by strongly saying to me, "Be still, and know